This video covers my trip to one of the largest spas in North America, and that is the Nordic Spa. So let me take you to their website and then we can hit the road, okay? Now, Nordic Spa offers massages, body care, and they have a thermal cycle, so thermotherapy. First of all, getting a booking was the hardest thing ever because, as you know, as places open, everyone is trying to look for a place where they can go relax after 2 years of stress. Because I've never experienced a thermal cycle before, I went for this after looking at what it does to the body and the mind. And if you have been following me on this channel, you would know that I am all for doing things that really make me happy, and that definitely includes my mind, my body, the beauty, physical health, mental health, and all of that good stuff. Okay, so their prices are, I would say, affordable. I went on to make a booking. You have to enter your name, choose what you're going in there for, and just book now. It was time to hit the road, okay? And happiness is not a destination. Friends, you have to create the moments, and it has to be a method of life. Well, in my opinion, there's going to be a drive through the woods. There's going to be a lot of information about the spa, my experiences, and all of that. So stay tuned. The Chelsea location, which is in Quebec, is out of the city. So driving is part of the relaxation experience. And I say so because we had to drive through the woods. And this is part of the memories, guys. So build the memories and not Chanel bags. Be patient as we drive through the peaceful woods. I set up at 5 p.m. for the spa, and the appointment was for 6 p.m. Notice how busy the road is because there's a lot of people driving back from this place. While I drive, I will just show you pictures of how beautiful this place looks like. Keeping in mind that this is a place where people go to relax, so some privacy is required, okay? And I won't be able to take so many videos or so many pictures because I'll be invading people's privacies. I hope you understand. But you see the pictures, they are beautiful. You can sit out with people you don't even know, or just go into the saunas, or have a drink or a meal alone or with your partner. And I am so looking forward to this. So, what exactly am I looking for? Because I booked the thermal cycle, it is supposed to promote my mental health, eliminate fatigue, supposed to reduce stress and tension, improve memory and mental alertness. It's supposed to improve my mental health, relaxation, eliminate fatigue, accumulated stress and tension. It's supposed to improve my memory and mental alertness, create a peace of mind, promote my physical health, encourage better sleep, deeply cleanse my body, clean, tone, and tighten my skin, giving it some elasticity and firmness, improve my blood circulation, improve nutrient absorption and digestion, and slow aging. Oh my god, the benefits of this thermal cycle, you know, it's a long list, and I am really super excited to have this experience. So the place has swimming pools, hot saunas, fireplaces, very cold waterfalls, and of course massages, facials, foot care, and all of that. So I picked a thermal cycle. What is a thermal cycle? It is a cycle where you go into a very extremely hot sauna, wait there for some time, and as soon as you step out of that hot place, you go into very cold water. And after that, you can go rest and then repeat the process all over again. We finally arrived at the spa and there are enough parking spaces available. The place looks like a beautiful place. This place has sound boxes wired all over the place, so as soon as you drop off the car, you are hit with this beautiful, soothing and relaxing music. This will stay with you till the end of your spa session. The place reminds me of the natural places we have in Africa, except sometimes we actually do not appreciate this site until we have to spend a lot of money, just to have access to them. The spa is composed mainly of wooden rooms and carefully designed garden with water nicely harnessed and redirected. Once I got to the reception, I was received by a staff member and reminded right away of privacy rules. But I am a content creator. That means that wherever I go, my camera goes.
And your phone number?
819.
Is it going to be the same phone number? Oh.
I was shown to my dressing room with a locker and a key, quickly changed into my garment provided by them and set off for the sauna. There are enough towels and garments here for us to switch up as needed. This is where I do not show you much, right? Privacy, remember? But the thermal cycle was amazing. I could not even breathe going into the hot sauna for the first time, which had a eucalyptus smell to it. Once I settled, I resumed breathing. But that place was hotter than any hot water I have ever touched, but in a good way. Right after the hot sauna, I dashed into the waterfall right at the door. It's been more than 10 years since I had a bath with cold water, but here I was under a very cold waterfall with large drops of water hitting my head like a storm. Yet I enjoyed every bit of it. Then was some rest and back into the hot sauna. The place has different pools with different heat levels. So if you're looking for lukewarm tropical temps or very hot pools, there is one for you. And all you need to do is go in alone or with your partner and chill on your own side of the pool. Girl, I was in all of the pools. And should I say I left this place at 10 p.m.? There was also a restaurant, and though I didn't enjoy the cocktail, I felt like there was more water in the drink than the mojito I ordered. But the fact that one can step out of the pool, dry up, and have dinner or lunch by the pool is amazing. It was 10 p.m. How come? And time to get back home. The dark was so peaceful with the same relaxing music that hit us when we arrived. Still part of the amazing experience. So that was about it, but here is my opinion about the spa. Well, I would say, given that you are allowed to stay in the facility from the time you arrive till 11 p.m., I think the experience is worth the money. What a beautiful day! This is my ride. My ride is here. Most of their services are about $80. I know $80 can buy me a handbag, but what will happen? I will just hang it somewhere on the wall. I actually do prefer this experience to material things. I cannot speak for the massages or the other services, But the thermal cycle was amazing. The natural environment, the restaurant, and all of that. There were also many towels and gowns to be switched up and dried up and used as required. All I needed to do was bring a pair of sandals. Overall, great place. I recommend the spa, and hopefully someday I will be able to go back. This is all I had for you in the video. Remember to create memories, not rooms filled with luxury items that do nothing but drain us financially and fill up space, sometimes even leaving us in debt. But what do I know? You do you, boo. You do you. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.